Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how you can add collaborations on a post even after you have already posted that on your Instagram account. It's a pretty simple process, and this is how you can do it. So the first thing you want to do is go into your account. Once you're in here, click on the bottom right corner to go into your profile, and under here, select the post that you want to add as collaboration. You want to add collaboration to this post, which means you want to add a paid partnership. Just click on the three dots on the top right corner, click on edit, and under here you will see an option under my name where it says add paid partnership label. Just tap on that, and that's it. Just tap on the check mark, and if you have branded partners, just add them in, and that's it. Once you have saved all the information and you're happy with it, just click on done and click on done again. And that's it. Now, when you view this post, it is clearly showing that I have a paid partnership with this account. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how you can add collaborations on a post even after you have already posted that piece of content. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.